Let me show you how I make meatballs. Start by adding 1/2 cup of Italian breadcrumbs and 3/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and stir in 3/4 of a cup of milk. Add 1 egg, 1/8 of a cup of chopped garlic, 1/8 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 1/2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 heaping tablespoon of fresh basil. If you don't have fresh basil, just use 1 1/2 teaspoon of dry basil. Then you'll add 1 pound of ground pork, 1 pound of ground chuck, and use clean hands to combine. Then add 1/2 cup water and mix well. We prefer gigantic meatballs, so I'm making them about baseball size, but you can make these any size you'd like. I place them on a baking pan and bake at 400 degrees until they are slightly brown on top. While they're baking, I'll begin to make the sauce. I'll start by adding 1/3 cup of olive oil to a large pot. Add 1 large onion chopped, 1 pinch of red pepper flakes, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. This is dried oregano here. And saute this until the onions are translucent. Once they're translucent, I'll add 1/8 of a cup of chopped garlic. Cook for about 1 minute. If you add the garlic too soon, it will result in burned and bitter garlic. Now I'm adding 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and then the juice from a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes. Give it a stir. Use your hands to break apart the whole tomatoes and add them to the sauce. Give this a stir and add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix that in, cover, and let it simmer on medium heat. When the meatballs are done, carefully add them to the sauce. Make sure they're covered well and allow these to simmer covered for at least 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Stir them periodically so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. These can be served by themselves or over your favorite pasta. They are so delicious. They're moist and full of flavor. Enjoy!